Hi friends, in this unboxing video I will be showing you a review of Fur laptop bag. I was thinking to buy a pretty basic laptop bag which is comfortable to use as well, and of course for my travel purposes mainly. And then my primary aim while choosing this one was most of the bags that I had previously bought, they were probably nylon materials or cloth kind materials. The feel when I touched those bags, I didn't like that much. This one is made of PU leather, so I hope that this is the first time I am trying out a PU leather kind of a bag. I wanted to basically feel the touch that it was like kind of sensitive for me to use bags like that. So this one I believe does not give me that kind of a feeling. Let's see. Okay, the bag is kind of big. Let me just touch and feel it first. Yeah, so this is smooth. Yeah, the impression I had with the previous bags that I ever had is like I used to have bags from Skywalker company like that, and yeah, so those were the nylon material bags. This one is artificial leather, and yeah, this one is not sensitive when I just touch the bag basically. Yeah, let's look at the main things apart from the touch and feel of the things, like and again, this Fur is a new company that I saw on Amazon. So this one was priced as 850 rupees. They are saying that it is, I bought it like they are saying it's 72% discounted. I'm not sure about the logic behind those discounts that they offer, but they say it is discounted. Let me check the quality of the product. The zip I would say it's smooth flowing. I had shown a review of a passport holder in my previous videos. I will tell you that zip's quality there, I wouldn't like compare it with this one. That one was not good. So the feeling you should get like when you use the zip is you will be using this like over 1,000 times in a given lifetime, right? So yeah, this one feels smooth. Let me just open this as well. Okay, and I will check this one. So yeah, let's first look at the main place where we keep the laptop actually. So this is the place where we keep the laptop. So yeah, looks fair enough. I think a 15.6-inch laptop will easily fit into this gap, and of course you can keep your files here if you want, and any other additional things you can keep here. Like, oh, I see that there are pockets for like if you want to keep your pen, you want to keep your mobile, you can keep them pretty much here. And I hope there will be an outlet for the USB port. Yeah, so there is an outlet for the USB port as well, so that you can keep your mobile well within the bag and like use the inlet there to like take the cable out, I believe, and then pretty much charge. Yeah, so there you can use that USB port to charge your mobile. So yeah, this was available in black and brown color. I opted for the brown one. The first impression, I would say, I think I am loving this bag. Yeah, so hoping to take this in my travels, but yeah, nowadays travel is a question mark, but whenever I get a chance, I hope. Yeah, this back part looks also soft. I think it will be easy on my shoulders. Yeah, this one is also like nice and soft. It will be easy on my shoulders and to my back. Yes, first impression I would say that I hope this will be a long lasting bag for me. We can keep the water in this compartment. Yeah, I would say yes, I like this one bag. Fur. Yeah, that's all my friends. Thanks.